Mission, hindi mo hinahanapan ng succession.
Hindi po.
Tama po ba?
Opo, tama.
So yung reward,
Sako.
yung reward ng dinisalaw at yung
Kapag tagulan, tuyo ang ulam.
Hindi po. Hindi ko natisalaw.
Yes, muna sa ulan. Muna sa tuyo.
Gawin ni sariling Vice President Security Group ang bisit na sinuspwenduhan. Dapat din daw kino-coordinate ito sa law enforcement agencies na hindi raw ginawa ng vice.
The Office of the Vice President has no less
Maliliit ka na
than
tama na.
400 security guards. If the security guards are being paid salaries, should these salaries be debited or reimbursed from confidential funds?
Isa po, yung salaries po, hindi po siya pwedeng i-charge sa confidential fund.
May finding ba kayo sa notices of disallowances nyo, both first and second notices, na yung BPSPG ay nagre-receive ng payments for reward and purchase of information from the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President?